In today's video, you will learn how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. It is available for anyone that wants to join. Just make sure to keep watching until the end of this video so you cannot miss any important step. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and with notifications on so you can get notified whenever I upload brand new content. Also, if you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you have any question and share it with your friends too. Without any further ado, I'm going to start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. So whenever we start affiliate marketing, the first step that you need to complete is to find an affiliate network, and for this purpose, of course, you can go over to Google and search for the best affiliate networks, or you can just use this one that I'm going to recommend to you today. This one here is called ClickBank and it's over at clickbank.com. Unfortunately, this one is not available worldwide, but of course you can just let me know if you want me to do another video with another affiliate network that works worldwide if this one doesn't work in your country. So you're going to just go over to the affiliate section up here, and after that you're going to see some of the best features that ClickBank offers, just like quality products, high commissions, reliable payments, and so on. And they have paid to their members more than $5.5 billion since 1999. That's why I recommend you use this platform. By scrolling down, you're going to learn some other features of this platform, but also the best top product categories that I've offered on here and that people use in order to make money. As you can see, they offer health and fitness, self-help, e-business, home gardening, and so on. What I want you to do is to select health and fitness. It's going to take you over to this page where you can just check out the best products that you can promote in this category. There are 10 best weight loss affiliate programs, and you can see for each of them some explanation, some information, and also how much money you can make whenever you're going to sell one of these products. What I want you to do is to just find the one that you like, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going with this one here, custom keto diet. You're going to learn some information about it and so on. And after that, what you need to do is, of course, to create an account here on ClickBank, and you'll be able to get your affiliate link for this particular product. Once you get that, we're going to proceed with the next step. You need to come over to this platform, which is called write.ly, and you're going to just see that this is a place where you can add a powerful call to action to your links. So we're going to create an ad. Click on the sign in button, and you're going to be able to put your email address, and after that you're going to just get a code, and you're going to add it over here in order to create your account. Once you do so, what I want you to do is to just click on create new ad. It's going to take you over to this page where you're going to customize your own ad. You're going to put the name first of all. As you can see, I've written custom keto diet, which is the product that I'm promoting. Then you're going to just select text and then a left, so it's going to appear here on the left, and then you're going to just click on show after 1 second if you want to. On the text CTA settings, you're going to just put a profile name. I've added diets and weight loss. You can add something else, so it depends even on the product that you're going to promote. On the profile URL, you're going to put your affiliate link that you're going to get when you're going to sign in to ClickBank. Then a profile picture, if you want to, you can upload a picture of that product that you are promoting. Of course, you can even get it on their official website or even on Google if you want to search for it. Then you're going to add a description. As you can see, I've had a description related to this one product. Of course, you can get some information on their website, or even here on ClickBank they give you a description about that product. Then you're going to just leave it with no sound, or even add a sound if you want to. Then you have the button settings where you're going to just right click here to watch the video, and the button link, you're going to just put your affiliate link once again. On the logo settings, you're going to put a logo link. Once again, just put that affiliate link and the logo text if you want to write something about the product. I put a logo image, which is this emoji, because in my opinion it looks really cute and it's going to attract more people. After that, you're going to just go over to the design up here. You're going to even change the colors if you want to, and some other things as well, and then just click on the done button. Then it's going to take you over to this page once again, and here what you need to choose is the custom custom keto diet. On the enter destination URL, you're going to enter the URL that I'm going to tell you. You're going to go over to YouTube actually and search for this channel, Gravity and Transformation Fat Loss Experts. I'm going to suggest this one because I really like the thumbnails, and you're going to just find one particular video that you like. For example, this one here. What you need to do next is to just copy the URL of this video. Click on copy link address, and then you're going to just paste it over here on enter destination URL. Once you do so, click on create a link with ad. So you're going to just create that ad that I mentioned before. Copy the link over here, and we're going to proceed to the next step, which is to come over to this platform, which is called cart.co. As you can see, it's simple, free, and of course here you're going to create a website, so a landing page. You're going to just click on choose the starting point, and after that you're going to select a landing page because we are going to create one for free. You can just choose the one that you like the most, and whenever you do that, click on the select button. After that, you're going to just add and customize a lot of things over here. For example, you can delete this image, and then you're going to write a title to it, a subtitle, and so on. And I have already done that, so I have written learn how to lose weight quickly and easily using these tips. Whenever you click on the text, it's going to show in the left hand side where you're going to do all of the customization. You're going to do the other things for the paragraph and so on, so you can give it like a description and written like these are my recommendations for losing fat and gaining muscle without any effort. Then you're going to go over to the second part where you can just add images here, and as you can see, I've added the image of that YouTube video that I got before. In order to do the same thing and to get this thumbnail, you're just going to copy the link URL of this video, and you're going to proceed to this platform called thumbnailsave.com. Here on this platform, you're going to put the YouTube URL and click on view thumbnails so you can save it easily just like I did, and then you're going to upload it over here. Then you're going to just add like a main heading, a paragraph. So I've added some things that I found on the description of that YouTube video, so some things related to lose belly fat and so on. Then on the details button, what you need to do is to just put that link that you got from right.ly, the one that we copied even before that I showed you, and you're going to paste it over here and click on done. You're going to add some other things as well, so you're going to add another picture, some other information, so you can give some tips on how to lose weight, and then you're going to just click on the done button for each of them, and you're going to click on publish this site. You'll be able to create an account over here for free to add the description and so on, and here you're going to put the name of this website that you just created. So you're going to add this related to the instruction that they are going to give you, and then click on the publish button. Once you get the link of this website that you created that contains that ad with your affiliate link with it, you're going to proceed to the next step, which is to come over to this platform called Concept 2. This is over at c2forum.com. This is a forum where people discuss about different ways to lose weight and other things as well. So you're going to be able to put a post over here, and you're going to say that these are my recommendations if you want to lose like belly fat or to lose weight very fast without any hard effort and so on. And you're going to paste your link of the website over here because they give you the possibility to post some links. So after that, people are going to watch it. They are going to click on your website. They can watch that video ad that we created before that contains your link over it, and whenever they go over to that product, they can purchase it, and you're going to get paid again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.